Now, of course, uploading this image can take a while, and therefore I want to show a loading spinner here whilst we're waiting for this to upload, instead of showing these buttons. And therefore back here in auth.dart, we can also add another variable, is uploading, which initially is false, but which I'll set to true as soon as we get here into this try block. So here I'll use set state to set is uploading to true, or actually I only want to do this here. I guess it's therefore not just the uploading process for which we're waiting, but also the login and sign up process. Hence, we might want to rename this to is authenticating here and also here. And then, of course, I want to use is authenticating to show a different content that we would normally do if we are authenticating. Specifically here, I only want to show this elevated button if not is authenticating, so if we're not logging in. And the same is true for this text button. Here, I also only want to show this if we're not authenticating. But if we are authenticating, so if is authenticating is true, I instead want to show a circular progress indicator, so such a loading spinner. Now, one important note about setting is authenticating to true, so about managing this authenticating state, we also have to reset it here in this catch block. Otherwise, if we have an error, we'll stay in that loading state and we'll keep on showing that circular progress indicator, hence making it impossible for the user to reach those buttons again and to try different credentials. So here, after showing this error message, we should also call set state and set is authenticating back to false. So that now if we save this and we give this another try, we can go here, take our image, like this, enter an unused email address, and now if I click sign up, I get the loading spinner instead of the buttons, whilst we're waiting for this sign up process to finish and for this image to be uploaded. And therefore here we then also see this image on Firebase once we're done. So that's now great, we're uploading images, but indeed that's not the only thing I wanted to do here. Instead, I also wanted to store this download URL, which we're getting here, along with some other data in a database managed by Firebase, so that a user is not just an email and a password, but also a URL to that image and a username that can be shown next to the chat messages later.